Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadillas at home with Roti Easy Method. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium and warm each roti for 30 seconds per side before filling. Layer cheese, cooked vegetables or meats, and spices evenly, then fold and press gently. Cook folded roti 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden and melted. Slice into wedges and serve with salsa, yogurt, or chutney for contrast. Choose fillings that cook quickly or are already cooked to avoid soggy roti and uneven heating. Keep fillings thin and distributed evenly across the roti so cheese melts uniformly and the roti seals. Try mixing 1 cup shredded cheese with 1 cup cooked vegetables or meat for balanced texture and flavor. Finish with fresh herbs or a squeeze of lime to cut richness and add a lively contrast to each bite. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making tasty, simple recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so try Darn Tough for a lifetime warranty and unbeatable comfort while you cook. They stay cozy during long kitchen sessions and save you time replacing worn pairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Preheat your skillet so the roti crisps quickly and seals before fillings leak out. Lightly oil or butter the surface to promote even browning and prevent sticking, and press gently with a spatula while cooking. Flip only once when the underside is golden to maintain structure and ensure melted cheese throughout. Rest cooked quesadillas a minute before slicing to keep fillings from spilling and to make neat wedges for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.